Hey guys, this is Prasad from Tech Answered and let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Linux shell and the uses of if and switch case. So what is if command in Linux shell? How do we use the if command? So basic syntax for if command is if space condition, and if the condition is verified, then it has to execute certain steps. Then else statement, which will execute again certain list of commands, and then 5. In this case, please notice one thing here. There is a gap between this bracket. After that, we are putting some condition, but there is a space here and there is a space here. So this space is a mandatory. And as we all know, Linux shell is a very loosely coupled programming, so there is no use of colon, semicolon in this kind of programming. Okay, so we have to follow this simple structure if we are writing an if statement. So here space in the bracket is mandatory. Okay, and Linux here, if I am starting with if, so I have to end with 5, just the reverse of it. If for nested if. In this condition, we will see how if is using multi-nesting. Okay, so if space condition, then execute certain commands, then elif, else if is replaced as elif here, then again we have to put some condition, then again some list of commands which will run after this condition is verified, then else condition, again some list of commands which will run, and end with 5. Let us consider case in Linux shell. So this is the basic syntax in Linux case shell. So here what we will do is that we will take some value and we will put it in case condition, and the value that you will put here in the variable will be matched across these parameters which are listed here. If this value matches with value 1, then these steps will be executed. If this value matches with value 2, then the corresponding statements will execute. Similarly, if this value does not match in any of the entries present here, then default commands will get executed. And case in Linux will always end with reverse, that is ESAC. If you reverse it, it is case. So you remember, in case of if statement, I started with if and ended with 5. In case of case, we will start with CASC and will end with ESAC. So let us see another things which are called as conditional execution in Linux shell. So for example, there are two conditional execution, double ampersand and this double pipe. Okay, for example, cat file1 ampersand ampersand echo file exists. In this case, if file1 exists and if this command runs, then only second command will run. So second command is executed only if the first command is successful. Next case, double pipe, here if the first command is unsuccessful, then only second command is executed. Lessons learned from this class: usage of if in Linux shell script, usage of case in Linux shell script. Guys, if you appreciate my content, please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.